Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is RSI Europe launches drone repeater kit to extend FPV first-person view drone operations in EW electronic warfare contested terrain for Ukrainian and Lithuanian forces. Lithuanian defense technology company RSI Europe has launched its drone repeater kit, an airborne retransmission system for FPV first-person view drone operations. The system is designed to extend missions beyond the limits of ground-based antennas and improve link resilience in electronic warfare contested and rough terrain environments. The company said the drone repeater kit is already in active combat use with Ukrainian units. It is also in service with the Lithuanian armed forces. The system consists of two integrated components. These are a repeater unit mounted on a carrier drone and a mini antenna rack operating from the ground. Together, the components raise the FPV first-person view control and video link above terrain obstacles. RSI Europe said the system can restore stable communication where forests, hills, urban structures, or fortified positions limit the performance of ground antennas. The drone repeater kit serves as the native communications backbone of RSI Europe's SPAC FPV first-person view family. It completes an integrated mission-ready capability combining strike drones, ground control and airborne retransmission engineered to operate together. The system is also compatible with third-party drone platforms. RSI Europe said the design supports wider use beyond its own FPV first-person view drone family. The drone repeater kit was developed in response to operational requirements identified through direct feedback from Ukrainian FPV first-person view operators. The company also used evaluations conducted with allied units. The system addresses range, terrain, electronic warfare resilience and operator survivability constraints linked to ground-based antenna setups in active sectors. It is intended to allow FPV first-person view teams to maintain more reliable communications while remaining in concealed positions. What the DRK gives an FPV first-person view team is the ability to operate from concealed positions and still maintain a stable link beyond terrain obstacles. The repeater goes where the team can't over a hill, above a tree line, into clean line of sight while the operators stay where they are safe, said Martinas Antonatis, product manager at RSI Europe. RSI Europe said the drone repeater kit can provide an operational range of up to 25 kilometers in mixed terrain. Stable line of sight is maintained from altitude to support FPV first-person view operations beyond physical terrain barriers. The company said the system improves electronic warfare resilience by preserving more of the link's signal margin against jamming through clean line of sight from altitude. Its mini antenna rack is IP67 certified, comes in a suitcase form factor and uses a 50-meter cable to allow operators to remain concealed. The drone repeater kit includes transmitters compatible with third-party drones and broad frequency coverage. It also features LED-based link confirmation across each leg of the communication chain, single-button pairing and a setup time of 5 to 10 minutes. Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.